Have you ever thought about this? You know, we have heard a lot of different stories. Hello, my friend. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. Have you ever thought about this? You know, we have heard a lot of different stories from childhood until now, in different books, in different languages, in different parts of the world. Stories from grandmothers, stories from storytellers, stories from school days, you know, the stories of our teachers or our friends, the stories we heard as children, adolescents, youth, middle age, adulthood, and so on. False stories, true stories. Just think about it. You, I, and all of us have stories, historical stories that are said to have happened. Stories of, for example, stories of pure love. Do you know what happens if you tell a false story convincingly? Just think about it, convincingly, with all your heart. What happens if you tell a lie convincingly with all your heart? Just think about it. You know, it sounds true, and everyone believes it, doesn't it? God, everything, you know, everything they say happened in history. Just think of any story, you know. Imagine if the complete opposite of what was said happened, or if what was said didn't exist at all. So, God, what then? Tell me. Just think about it. You know, many heroes become villains, anti-heroes, and many villains become heroes. In fact, there have been heroes and villains in the heart of history, behind the history, have either ended or been expressed in other ways, whether intentionally or unintentionally. What was the purpose? What was the purpose behind all this? What should I say? Think. Use your brain, use your head. I'm sure you're exhausted by now, isn't it? God. Oh my God. Just think about it. Okay? Dear unique, always remember there is only one you. You cannot take someone else's place and no one can take your place. Okay? If you like my video, share, like, subscribe to my channel, write a comment for me. Write for me. Thank you. Thanks for watching, and be in the shelter of God's love always, forever, and beyond. Ashe. Love you. Amira. Rani.